Hi friends, I'm Miss Williams. Most of you know me by now. You've gone through my Google Classroom video. I've been in contact with many of you. But after the first couple weeks of school has gone by, I wanted to walk you through some of the kinks of Google Classroom so that way you have a full understanding of everything students have to do. So this is the front page of Google Classroom. When your student goes to their Google Classroom, this is the first thing that they see. This should be simple. They should just click to open this. Every day in the stream, you'll see where I have posted things that students need to redo. This is their classwork page. This is the main page that all parents and students need to be concerned with. There's a weekly assignment calendar. If you go to the assignment calendar and open it, everything students need to do for the week is here. For example, reading and skills. Monday, they should do Unit 1, Lesson 6. Tuesday, they should do Unit 1, Lesson 7. We have discussed before attendance that students must turn in at least one assignment a day. That is purely to count for attendance. That does not mean that students should only be turning in one assignment a day, because if they're only turning in one assignment a day, they're going to get to Wednesday and realize that they have 10, 15 assignments they now have to complete in order to move on to Thursday. Students also need to be doing these assignments in order. The students should not be starting with Unit 1, Lesson 10 and then doing Unit 1, Lesson 7. They should always be doing these assignments in order. Because when we go through and check attendance, Tuesday morning, I'm checking Monday to see if they did Unit 1, Lesson 6 for Monday's attendance. Just like Wednesday morning, I'm checking Tuesday to see if they've done Unit 1, Lesson 7 for attendance, so on and so forth. So that weekly calendar is always there for you to understand what they have to do that week. These math standard quizzes, they will usually have 1 to 2 a week. They are required. They are required. They must be completed. This is a form of us assessing them so we know what they do understand and what they don't. Remote learning virtual classroom. You will see here my Zoom links below. If you click in this, Miss Williams Zoom hours. I am Miss Williams. These are the times I'm available Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday. My hours are different on Wednesdays because we're all working from home. I am available at all of the times listed here to help students with whatever they need. If you are working, if you aren't able to help them, I am here. I am the remote learning teacher. That is what I'm here for. Also, Miss Kavarik and Miss Kraus, when they teach reading and skills and math, they hold a live Zoom session for that lesson. So students can check in and watch that lesson live. And those links are here. And then Wednesdays, our hours are listed here because we're all working from home. You also have here the Get Epic class code for students further reading, and you also have the Google Classroom tour, which shows you more ins and outs. When a student has completed assignments, this will no longer be black or purple, whatever it shows up as for you. This will be gray, completely gray. If a student has completed an assignment and I have contacted you and stated, well, I don't have it, and you state to me, well, it's gray. If it's gray on your end and I don't have it, that means the student has turned it in blank. The student will need to go back in and redo the assignment. Again, students should not be starting up here with Unit 1, Lesson 10. They should be going to the first assignment for the week. And as you can see, these were all due last week, so any of these assignments that are being turned in are late, and it's minus 10 points a day for an assignment that is late. These are all of the assignments that are due tomorrow. All of these should be gray by the end of the week for students. All of these should be gray. Special areas. Let's take a look at special areas for a moment. I've had a lot of students reach out with some confusion on special areas. They have one form for specials. It includes their PE, their music, and their art. It's all in one form. They need to put their first name and last name. They need to choose their class section. All of your students are 4th grade remote. They need to add the file of their sunflower drawing for the week. If a student does not understand how to do that, they can comment on this form, on the assignment, and Miss AB, the art teacher, will step in to help them. Okay, you have remote physical education for the week. You have music for the week. This should be getting turned in when all of the assignments are completed. They should not turn in art and then go back and do PE and turn that in, and then go back and do music and turn that in. They should be turning them in with all 3 assignments completed. If you have any questions for me at all, please feel free to reach out and ask. I am here throughout the day. I'm available via Dojo. I'm available via email. I just wanted to clarify a few questions that parents had. Thank you very much.